In the previous video, we looked at detailed information in the bid file by way of filters in the section spreadsheet. In this video, we're going to look at the elements of the summary view and start the sequence of bid closing videos. The process of bid closing would probably include a detailed analysis of the information in the bid file required on the bid documents, such as subcontractor listing information, DBE goal analysis, alternates analysis, and/or a bid breakdown analysis. As well, there is the add-on information found in the bid file that can be adjusted at the face of the bid. Looking at the summary view, I see different elements. At the top left-hand corner, I see the gross quantity for the job. In this case, it's 42,000 square feet, which will translate into a gross unit price for the job of $161.14 a square foot. Also, I see the 5 cost categories for labor, materials, subcontractor, equipment, and other, and the respective percentages of the direct costs that each of those categories is. On the right-hand side, I'll see the division summary, in this case the 16 division summary. If this were a 48 division bid, I would see those 48 divisions listed on the summary, and I can see the division amount, percentage of the direct cost, the unit price by the main gross unit, and the unit price by secondary unit set up in the bid setup window. The information on the right-hand side in the division summary is not editable information, as it is a summary of a lot of costs under each of those divisions to come to those amount. It's a powerful tool for reviewing what is in the divisions for this particular bid. The available percentages will also let you know if the bid is in sync with your expectations. Knowing the range of percentages that you think that the bid will come in will add as a double check on this job. Also, I then can see the different summary view elements, the indirect costs, the markups, and the bonding and insurance costs, all of which can be changed directly on the section spreadsheet, probably being changed by the bid captain, who would be overseen by the owner in a lot of cases. Here I can change from 6% to 5% on the overhead and profit, or I can change and type in a value like 350,000 and overwrite that and back calculate out the percentage that would be there. This is very handy. I'm going to interact in all the closing elements for this bid file from the summary view. And I'm going to go back and forth to things like the DBE analysis, back to the overhead and profit, to the alternates analysis, looking at the different alternates and what their totals are, to the tabular window and the different information contained in the tabular window. This allows me to go from detail to summary and to investigate the details about the bid file as I'm processing it through the closing process. I also have the ability to put in a final cut and add. Let's say I'm going to drop the price $25,000, or to adjust the total bid amount to the actual amount that I'm going to bid it at. Let's say that I want to bid this job at $6,679,000. I can type that into the total bid amount, and the final cut and add will adjust accordingly. It's handy to be able to move through the summary view with confidence to know what the numbers are and how they've been compiled up to this point, so that when it comes time to close out this job, you will have a high degree of confidence in your number and how you got there. In the next video, we're going to look at performing the DBE analysis from the summary view.